In this video, I'm going to talk about the IX Social Copy Trading app. Hi guys, my name is Tiana, the CEO and founder of the International School of Traders. And in this video, we are going to continue with our series, which I've already started. This is where I'm explaining more about INFINOX as a trading platform. I'm going deeper into the sort of products that they are providing. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about their IX Social Trading app, copy trading app, in fact, right? I'm going to be going through what is a copy trading and how does it work. I am going to go through the IX. I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to explain what is the IX Social Trading app. I am also going to discuss some of the key things and benefits for you as a copier or somebody who's going to be using this app as a pro trader or somebody who's a copier as well, right? I am going to explain as well how to join the IX Social, which is basically downloading the app, and I'm going to leave all the links in the description and in the comments so that you will be able to download and be able to use the IX Social app, right? Okay, cool. So copy trading is one of the best, one of the easiest ways to trade, right? It allows users, which is going to be you and I, to find a pro trader level or it does allow you to copy a pro level trader. That is to say, if I am a pro trader, I am a strategy provider on the on the app, you are going to follow my strategies or you are going to copy my trades, right? And that is the same thing that is going to happen into your account, right? Cool. Now here, users simply have to click on a button to copy the exact same trade placed by their pro traders. Now, the IX Social Trading app by INFINOX is a product for that. It is designed to give you that experience where you can, first of all, be a copier, meaning if you are lazy to trade, you can't trade, or you still learning, you're in the learning stages and you're still you need some sort of assistance in your trading, the IX Social Trading app is the way to go. Just all you need to have is the app, and then you copy somebody that you want to copy, or somebody you follow somebody else's signals or anything like that, right? Okay, cool. The IX Social Trading app will let users gain market access, discover top traders, follow and copy in a link, global reach of experts and copiers. Now, the orders are automatically placed on the trading account, and in this way, you as a copier or you as somebody who's copying somebody else can get the same ROI, which is the return on investment on your trade, with little to no effort. Meanwhile, as a strategy provider or a pro trader, you can generate a revenue from what your followers are doing, right? You can generate a little bit of revenue, right? Now, what you need to know is that the app is active. The app is there. It's not a new app. It has over 20,000 downloads. It has over 7,000 monthly active users, and it's still counting. Global reach of pro traders. Now, this is not to say you're gonna meet only African traders, South African traders. You can also see traders from Brazil, Uruguay, America. Europe, or anywhere in the world where these traders are. The app is also available on iOS and Android, right? Now, those are the most important things that you need to know. Now, what are the key things that you need to know about the IX Social app? Right, the IX Social app has an auto copy feature, right? Meaning that you can just click and copy somebody else's trades, right? It has leaderboards and live track records to discover top traders. This is very, very important for you if you are looking for somebody to copy, or you are looking to see how your trades are doing on the after you've copied somebody, right? Okay, cool. It does has the simple risk management controls. This is the something, this is something that I really like, that you can control how much you want to risk in the market. Now you can't be risking exactly, or you can't be taking exactly the amount of volume with somebody who's having $100,000 in their account if you have only 10,000 or $1,000 in your account. So meaning that you can just control risk in that way, so that you do not lose a lot of money in trading. So that's why I love the IX social app. Okay, cool. What you can also see is that you can trade forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, and indices and futures on the app. Now I'm going to talk to you about benefits of you as somebody who's using the app, who is a copier, right? Somebody who's following other people, right? So the app is beginner friendly, right? It's a beginner friendly tool. You can use it. Somebody who's a beginner, and it's self-explanatory. Most of the things are just in front of you, and you just download the app, right? It is easy to discover trading strategies, right? Just look at somebody, or just look at somebody who's trading currencies. It is easier to just copy those people. It is also an effortless way to manage risk and results. Now, those are some of the very key benefits that you want to have. You want to be able to manage risk once again and results at the same time, right? And lastly, on the benefits for you as a copier, you are going to earn the same results as a proven trader, right? Cool. This is what you've been looking for. This is what you want. You want to be earning the same results as a top trader who is in Uruguay, who is in Nigeria, who is in Europe, right? Okay, cool. Now, the benefits of copy trading for experts, right? This is another way for somebody who's coming in as a trader. This is another way to monetize your trading strategies. I know some people are selling signals or anything like that, but also in this particular way, you can monetize your trading strategies. You can also grow a following and become an influencer within the app, right? Now that's for people who people who have grown their presence on YouTube, just like us. You can also do one the same way on the app, right? Okay, cool. So I am going to drop each and every link that you are going to need on the description. On how to open your account on X Social, how to copy a trader on X Social. I'm also going to put it in the description. How to set your overdrawn your drawdown on X Social, X Social landing pages, and also X Social web pages as well. Those are the things that I'm going to drop in the description, so that you can see how to use all of these tools that we are providing to you. Now, the X Social can be easily downloaded via the App Store or Play Store, right? All you need to do is to download the app on the App Store or Play Store, and then number 2, you can click on create your profile and link your INFINOX account. That is very important. So you're going to create your profile and start a new X Social profile, and then you're going to link your INFINOX account. That's very, very important. And then opt to become a copier or a strategy provider. Very, very important. Connect your MT4, MT5 server, and then your new user account is all set, and you can start providing strategies. You can also start copying other people's strategies. That is all that I wanted to explain on this video, and I'm going to be coming back on the next video where we are going to be talking about IX Premium. So thank you so much for joining me on this one. I am going to see you on the other side of the withdrawals. Well, withdrawals are possible through INFINOX and IX Social in this particular case. Shalom, everybody.